What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an install on my Yonaka exhaust that I got a catback system for Project CG5. Alright, so Kevin here is going to pop it open. We're going to check this exhaust out. Well, the welds look good. I'm impressed with the quality. Very nicely packaged. And wow, this is massive. I wasn't expecting that. So let's get this installed and see what she sounds like. Alright, so we're under the car, and to disconnect the exhaust, you got a few of these rubber grommets holding it all up pretty much. And then there's one over there. One right here. Now I'm not going to unbolt this because I don't think that's going to come unbolted with how rusty it is. Then you got a grommet there.
So for our final disconnect from the exhaust from the test pipe is 3 bolts, and they are 14 mil sockets, and you're going to need a 14 mil wrench.
Well, stock exhaust is out of there. Alright, well, the exhaust is out, so to reinstall it, obviously the process is reversed, but this is a 16 millimeter size bolt, and this is going to be a 14 millimeter size nut. So KJ's tightening up the last 2 bolts. We got all the exhaust hangers back, put back in. Well, she is on the ground after being on jack stands for 50 days, waiting on parts. We're done. And a big thank you to KJ for coming through and helping install the Yonaka exhaust that I got. So with that being said, make sure to follow me on Instagram at boosted_dilly. And if this video helped you in any way decide to make a purchase for this exhaust for your 6th gen Accord or your Civic, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe if you would consider, and we'll see you in the next one.